So hey guys, in this video, I'll quickly help you understand the basic difference between a classical computing and a quantum computing using a very simple example. So by the end of this video, you will have a brief understanding about a classical computing and a quantum computing. So let's get started. So consider an example. Okay, so consider now the time is 9:30 a.m. So for any given input, you should add one bit. So the input can either be 1 or 0. For at that instant of time, at 9:30, the input bit can either be 1 or 0. So based on your choice, the computation that can take place is either 1 plus 1 or 0 plus 1. So imagine the computation goes on for a minute. So by the end of 9:31 a.m., you will have a result of either 1 plus 1 or 0 plus 1 based on your choice. So this is about a classical computing. Let's go to the quantum computing part. So now for a quantum computing, we'll take the same example as of classical computing. We'll add one for a given input. So for a quantum computing, input bit can be a qubit. A qubit can be a superposition of both 0 and 1. What does that mean? That means that a qubit can represent both possibilities of 0 and 1. So, if we consider the possibility 0 and add 1 for that, our computational path becomes 0 plus 1. And if we consider the possibilities as 1 and we add 1 for that, our computational path becomes 1 plus 1. So, for a quantum state, for this quantum state, there are two possibilities that may evolve. That is one is 0 plus 1 and other one is a 1 plus 1. So at the end of 9:31, if we measure the result, when we measure the result, we'll get only one result. So how this result is determined, we'll be discussing it in next video. Bye bye.